Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and this is the flagship smartphone by OPPO. We will talk about this in this video. We will also check out the unboxing, the hands-on of the device, the camera features and other things. While the device comes with the triple rear camera setup, where is the 48 megapixel is the primary rear camera. There is 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera also present. In the front it has a 16 megapixel camera. It comes with the shark fin kind of front camera. I will tell you about it later. This is a 8GB 256GB model. It has a ocean green. This is the ocean green color. There will be another color which is a kind of black color. This is a gradient kind design of a device, and here the device is definitely a little bit different. This is a flagship smartphone. The box pricing return is 56,000, but definitely this is not the final price. What I am expecting is around 50 something or 52, 53. Now talking about the box content, here we are getting some papers, and these documents are basically for the this is the warranty card with your safety guide information. Also at the same time the paperwork is the user guide information. So this is what you are getting in the document. Now other than this, here you can see the lovely smartphone OPPO Reno 10x Zoom model. This is not the Reno which is normal one, which it is coming with the Snapdragon 710, but this one is coming with the Snapdragon 855 processor. So let me boot the device in a meanwhile, and it comes with a gorgeous 6.6-inch display which comes with the 6th generation Gorilla Glass. We will talk about it later. It has a plastic back cover and it looks pretty much premium. It is not an ordinary one what we have seen here. You can see there is a Type-C charging cable also coming in the device. There is also SIM card ejector tool present in the box. This is what we are getting on this side. Going through other, there is also charging adapter. This is coming with the VOOC 3.0, so definitely this is a fast charging device. And VOOC 3.0 we have already seen in OPPO F11 Pro. Now talking about the device, here we can also see there are earphones packed in the device with some earbuds with different sizes here, and these earbuds come with the Type-C connectivity. It also has a mic in it. So this is what we are getting in the earphone. Now coming to the device back, it comes with the under display fingerprint sensor. Here you can see it takes less than a minute to get it registered. You can register multiple fingerprint for the device to unlock the device. There is also face unlock. I will show you the demonstration of face unlock very soon. The device comes with the shark fin rising camera. This is the front camera coming in the device. It is a 16 megapixel camera. It's definitely a beautiful thing. We haven't seen this innovation in any smartphone currently. We have seen the pop-up cameras earlier. F11 Pro was having a rising camera, but this is a shark fin camera. It looks like a shark fin in the device. So once we have done, it comes with the ColorOS 6.0, which is the latest one, and here you can see. Now talking about the ColorOS, we will talk about the software later, and once it is done, here you can see the device. It will also ask for a smart assistant, which is ColorOS inbuilt smart assistant, and it will tell you about the calendar, dates and apps what are needed to be installed. So I will skip that part. Now coming to the design, here you can see the power button with a little green accent on it. It looks pretty much good. It has a ocean green color. It is a gradient color. You can see there is a color shift happening in the device, and it is written OPPO, designed by OPPO also. It comes with the triple rear camera setup. Now talking about the LED flash, the LED flash is actually inside the rising camera. It is in the shark fin. I will show you later on. It has a noise cancellation mic on the top. On the side, what we are getting is the volume rocker keys. In the bottom, if you go here, you can see there is a Type-C port, and also the speaker grills are there. It comes with the Dolby Atmos sound system, so it definitely we will check out this in our next video. Here you can see it comes with the two SIM card slots, SIM 1 and SIM 2 card slot. Both will be inserted up and above in this slot. Now the device comes with the VOOC charging, what I have already told you. It comes with the 6.6-inch panoramic display. Now talking about the device, definitely the device looks pretty much premium. We haven't seen something like this. It also has an under display fingerprint sensor, what I have already showed you, and the another color what will be coming for the device is the jet black color. This is the ocean green color, and here we will go to the settings and check out the settings of the display. It comes with the Quad SD Plus display. It has a 6.6-inch panoramic screen with Gorilla Glass 6 protection. It has a processor, octa-core processor, which is Snapdragon 855. It comes with a RAM of 8GB, internal storage 256GB, and a rear camera with 48 megapixel, 13 megapixel and 8 megapixel camera. In the front, you are getting a 16 megapixel camera. It has a battery of 4000 And talking about the OS, it is running on Android 9.0, which is actually Android Pie, and with Color OS 6.0 on top of it. It is running on the current generation of Color OS. Here you can see the battery percentage. If you want to, you can switch it on the battery percentage. Talking about the device, it comes with the Hyper Boost 2.0. In this one, definitely it will, the one part is the game space. While playing the game like PUBG or other things, it will enhance your gaming experience. It will boost the RAM and it will kill the background app so that your gaming experience goes better. And the device, in the device, I have a switch of the virtual keys and using the gesture feature. Now talking about the app split screen, here you can see how you can switch it on. Now talking about the clone apps, if you have WhatsApp 2 account, you can use that using the clone app. In the device, you are also getting smart services while driving, so that will also help. The driving mode is there, so you can switch it on. Talking about the device comes with the Dolby Atmos, so definitely the sound effect of the device is very good, and I have tried and tested in a video. You will see in the PUBG gaming video, which I'll post it later on. Now talking about the software feature, one more thing, in the device you are getting a under display fingerprint sensor. It is definitely faster than the previous generation. I still don't know which generation is given in the device, but you can put multiple fingerprint in it for registering. And here, how to do the face unlock, here you will enroll the sharp fin front camera will come up. It will take very few seconds to get it registered, and once it is enrolled, it will very easily done to unlock the device. I have tried and tested in the low light scenarios. Now talking about the unlocking feature, there is a feature where you can press the power button and it will directly unlock, or it will ask you to swipe before and after unlocking. So there is two feature, but I will prefer the direct mode of going inside it and unlock the device. So this is what we are getting in the OPPO Reno 10x Zoom model. Now going to for few more things, it has a smart way of switching, which is a three-way smart way switching. This is for the SIM function, and it will give you enhance your boost your network. This is what OPPO is telling. We are getting a 3 gesture settings. I have already told you. Here you can see the navigation keys. If you want, you can use swipe gesture from both the sides, swipe gesture only from downside, and also there will be a virtual key. So which one you prefer, you can check it out how to work. Here it is the demo given already in the device. I will not waste time on it. Talking about the OS also, there is one more thing. There is a shortcut notification. If you go in the device and if you check, you just have to slide your finger and you can do the screen recording. You can also check your messages, you can answer them directly. Now talking about this, it also has an app door. You just have to swipe the above and you will get the app drawer there. Now talking about the face unlock demo, here you can see it unlocks very fastly. There is no time taken, it is less than a minute, and definitely it is very accurate also at the same time. I have tried and tested in the low light scenarios. Now talking about the camera in the device. In the device, if you go to the video setting, here you are getting the three things what it is saying for the multiple sound audio. There is 1x and 2x given in the video setting. Now talking about the device, it can shoot 4K video, which is a good thing, and there is also 1080p, and there are some filters given in the device. I will not go and show you. Now talking about the volume button, what you can use it for shutter or things. Now talking about the frame rate, here you can change the frame rate to 30 fps or 60 fps. It comes with the dual OIS, which is a very great thing while doing the video. This is only for the rear camera what I am talking about right now. Going to the photo, it here you can see it has a zooming mode. I will talk about this later in another video where we will tell about how the camera performs in this device, how it works, and we will tell this about later. Now talking about one more thing in the device is it has a 1x, 2x, and then there is 6x, then there is a 10x lossless zoom, then there is a ultra wide angle camera mode. Now talking about the camera, definitely we can make a separate video of camera and tell you how to do the shooting and how it works very smoothly. And it has an ultra wide camera. We can discuss about this later on. Now talking about one more thing, here you can see there is a AI mode also available in the device. If you go to the picture ratio, photo ratio, you can change it. If you want to add the watermark, there is that also. Even if you touch and take a photo, you can do that. It has a SDR mode inside it. It comes with the portrait. Now talking about the AI, here you can change the AI whatever level you want. Now talking about the modes, it has a night mode, pano mode, expert mode, time lapse mode, slow motion. There is Google Lens. This is what we are getting. So the good thing is that if it points directly, here you can see it will try to detect which camera to use. Here you can see it is just telling about the macro lens to work it on. So I will show you one more time here. Just see, once I just tap on the object and it will say macro lens. So this is how the AI is working in the device. Definitely the device comes with the Snapdragon 855, which is the powerful chipset. Also for the back camera, the LED flash is given in the shark fin. I will show you in the picture later on. And the front camera, you can shoot only full HD video or 720p video. These are the two resolution which you can shoot. There is in the front camera you get a portrait and the AI mode, and you can also change them and play it around according to your need. Now talking about the device, definitely this is a very exciting device. It is mainly for the camera, but also including the camera, it has a good audio quality. We will pushing a gaming video very soon. For that, here at the back you can see there is a LED flash given in the shark fin, and we will talk about the camera and the gaming very soon. This is all about the OPPO Reno 10x zoom device. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.